about that whistle? That's the turbocharger. So today we're gonna discuss about turbochargers in this video. Turbochargers. What are they? It's nothing but a centrifugal pump which runs with the help of engine exhaust gases. It forces additional amount of air into engine. In that way the power of an engine increases. So let's see how this thing works. So this is our diagram of a turbocharger working, and as I told you earlier that turbocharger runs with the exhaust gases of the engine. So here what our engine is, and the exhaust gases coming out from the engine will directly go to the turbocharger. In turbocharger there are two blades, one is called turbine and another one is called compressor. As you can see, both blades are connected in one common shaft. So with the help of exhaust gases this turbine will rotate and all exhaust gas will go through catalytic converter, and from catalytic converter all the exhaust gas are taken out from the exhaust pipe and released in atmosphere. So as you can see, both turbine and compressor are connected in one common shaft. So when the turbine rotates, it also rotates the compressor. Higher the turbine rotates, it also rotates compressor. So in this way compressor will start sucking air from the air filter which is coming from outside. Due to the exhaust gases, this whole area will be very hot, and from other side the compressor area will be very cold. As the compressor starts sucking air from the air filter, it goes from here, pass through the compressor and then go to the intercooler. Now intercooler is what? Air gets hot when it is compressed, so that's why this causes air to expand and become less dense. Heated air contains less oxygen, which is not good for engine. To cool that air and increase its density, here it's called an intercooler which does this work. What I'm trying to explain is that intercooler cools the air and increase its density. From the intercooler, the cold air will go to the inlet manifold and then to the engine. An engine can produce more power at the same speed if more air fuel mixture is forced into the cylinders. So here turbocharger has done our work by compressing more air and sending into the engine. This process increases combustion pressure and engine power. Starting of the car, turbo will not work because of the lower RPMs of engine, because at the lower RPMs not more exhaust gases will be formed. So as soon as the engine goes above 3000 or 4000 RPM above, more exhaust gas will be released from the engine, and then this way turbo will start working and compressing more air.